Here is how to use ConvertKit for email marketing. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you are all doing fantastic. In this video, I will cover pretty much everything that you will need to know to use ConvertKit for your email marketing and how to set things up. So let's actually get to the video without wasting any much time. I would think the first thing that we will need to talk about is going to be the pricing, because you will need to know how much it would cost. And it does have a free plan, and then it does have two other plans that also changes on how many subscribers you have. So the pricing is going to depend on how many subscribers you have, but then you can just get to this page and then check the things that you will be getting from either the free plan and then the creator or creator pro. So basically, if you want the summary of it, free plan is going to be for it does have quite a few things that you can work with, and then it's going to be for up to 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you have more than that, so if you're just getting started, I really highly recommend that you start with for the free one until you reach some amount of subscribers, and then you will need to upgrade to creator, where you can get to more subscribers and get more things that you can work with. But the free one is going to be for growing, and then this one is going to be for sustaining, basically. So to get started, you just go to convertkit.com and then just go to sign up, and then I will see you once we get to the dashboard. So once you sign up, you should find yourself in here, and you do get a 14-day trial for free, obviously for the creator plan. So you have those for 14 days. You can try things out and see if you want to upgrade later on. So to get started, basically the first few things that you'll need to do is going to be setting up your email, setting up things like that. So let's actually talk about setting things up. So the first thing you will need to do is go to grow and go to subscribers. This is going to be a step for those who already have subscribers, either from another platform or they just know subscribers that they have. You can add them here easily. So you just go again, grow subscribers, and then you just go ahead and click on add subscribers, where it's going to ask you if you want to add tags. Now, tags are going to be very helpful later on with your journey, because sometimes you would have tags for specific groups of people that are interested in specific things, different from each other. So this is why you would need a tag for subscribers. But if you don't need that at the time being, or you just general for everybody, just click add subscribers without creating a tag. And then it's going to ask you for three different ways on how you want to add your subscribers. Either a single subscriber, where you will need to fill in their information, like first name and email address, or import a file, which is a list of a CSV file, which includes again email, first name at least, and other information if available. And then you've got also import from another platform. So if you're coming from MailChimp, Drip, or any other platform that are from this list, you can just click on it and then connect them, and it's automatically going to pretty much import the subscribers from that platform to this one. So either way, you just go ahead and import your subscribers, and if you don't have any subscribers, that's fine. You can just grow them out of ConvertKit, so it's fine. So this is basically going to be step one, which is subscribers. So next up, let's actually talk about creating the landing page and forms. So if you just go to grow, you go to landing pages and forms. Now in here, you will basically need to create a place where you can let people know about your newsletter, why they should subscribe, and pretty much just let them know that they should subscribe because they will be getting something out of it, maybe. So all of those things are going to be from within here. It's either going to be a landing page or forms. Forms are going to be for those who already have a website and they just want to add a form to their website. or you can create a landing page if you don't have a website, and it's just going to be a free landing page that you can redirect people to, so you can paste a link to your landing page on your social media, and then they can just subscribe from there. So I'll show you just how to create a landing page, and maybe even show you how to create forms, because it's pretty similar. It's not going to be too complicated. Actually, let's just start with forms, and then just go to landing page. So just click on create a form or landing page, and then here it's going to ask you what type of format you want for this form. Now, usually you just go for this one. I think this one is going to be the best one, which is inline. And then you just go ahead and choose a template. Now it's going to be completely up to you the type of template that you want. The simpler the better is a rule of thumb that I have. So we can just choose, for example, this one, and then we will go to the editor. In here, it's very easy to edit things, by the way. You just click on it, and then you can choose like what it says. For example, you don't want it to say email address, just email. You can do so right here. And you can also change the font color, the font weight, border radius, and border color if you want. And then you can also click on anything else here, for example the subscribe button, and you can change the color to it. Usually just stick to your branding colors. Try to like find 2 to 3 colors and stick to them. You don't really want to go like everything has a different color and stuff. You just keep 2 to 3 colors and just keep using them. And you can just copy a specific color code so you can use it later on again. So here we can add email if you want, and you can also add more things. So if you want to have email, and usually you also would want to have a first name. So if you just click on the plus icon, you will get this second one, and you can just have first name. And then from here again, you can also adjust the font color, size, weight, and radius. We can change the order of it by just holding this down and putting it in the order that we want. And we can also change any kind of text in here. From here, we can change this text. So just join now, for example. Again, this text you can also change. And for the images, you just click on it, and you can just click on choose an image, where you can upload an image, or click on Unsplash, where you can use free images from Unsplash. It's very easy and simple. So once you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and click on save, or go to settings first and actually go to incentive, where you can add a download if you want them to click the button and then download, or send them to a URL. And you can just, after you do so, edit email contents, and it will show you how the email will look like, where you can obviously adjust the subject line. This is going to be the subject, and then you can also adjust the text in here, and same goes for the button. So you can again put in the color code, and it's going to work for you. And you can also change again whatever text that you want to change. You can just go ahead and highlight it and change it to whatever you want from here. So again, click on block elements, and then you can just edit things out. Some things you can not edit, so keep that in mind, like the watermark here, and some other things. But most of the things you can just edit to your liking. So once you're done, you just you just click on save, and you just click on save here and publish or save. I'm just going to save it, and let's just go back and create a landing page now. So most of people just create a landing page. So again, form is going to be for those who have a website. And by the way, I didn't even show you the most important part, which is actually getting the form to your website. It's going to basically it's going to give you an HTML code where you can paste it to your website, to a snippet of your website, that you can add a HTML code there, and you can paste the one that we have just created. But for the landing page now, we just go to create new, and then we just go to landing page. From here, we will choose a design or a template from those ones. We can maybe choose this one. You can obviously preview it before you choose it, but I'm just going to, choose whatever for the sake of the tutorial. And then, like we did with the form, whatever you click on, you can actually edit. So you can just, replace these images with other images that you have. So again, you can just click on edit if you want, and you can cut things out. This edit button is just going to give you filters and stuff. But if you want to replace, click on the image and then just click on replace and upload whatever image that you want. Let's just have this. Okay, so you will need to also abide with the rules of the type of images that are allowed. So this should work. This red one should work because it is a PNG. And you can also optimize image to your needs. Again, same thing goes here. You just edit whatever you want as text. And then most importantly, the form here, you can edit. So you can add the email address, and you can just click on the plus icon, and you can have first name, have it on top, because usually, first name and then email. And then the button, you can change the color of the button. And then also the font color if you want. Maybe we actually changed it. And then also you can change the text in here. So first name, we can change it, and so on, font color and the rest. So this is going to be for the landing page. So once this is done, we can again go to settings and set up the URL. It's redirect and download if you want. Let's just keep it like that and publish. Let's just save it, publish, and this is going to be the link to our landing page that we have just created. Just make sure it's saved. So once you copy this, you can just go ahead and share it on your socials and basically give it. You want people to join this link or click on that link to get to this page so they can subscribe to your newsletter or your email thingy here. So basically, just share it wherever you can and try to promote it with things like some sort of incentive to let people know that they should get to your landing page and subscribe to you. So next up, after you're done, you will need to set up your email templates. Here you can just go to any template in here where you can just click on it, and then you edit things out. For example, the link color you can change to whatever you want, really. Just make sure it's quite visible here. We don't want it to be I think purple would be nice, maybe. This is more of pink. Okay, so let's just keep it like that. And then you can also edit the font, and same goes for the colors, size, line, and all of those things. The heading, the buttons, how you want them to be. Like this, we can just add the color that we want for the button background, and also the corner radius if you want. So basically, just set things up to your liking. I'm not going to take too much time here because it's quite simple. It's a template that is going to be worked or placed for each email that you send, basically. So this is how you want it to look like. This is the branding of your emails. So after you're done, just go ahead and click on save, and you should be done for the templates. This is going to be the name of the template. Remember it. Because you may also choose, like if you have more than one template, you will need to know the names of them, so you can differentiate between them, and you should be done setting things up. So now you can go ahead and broadcast things where you can do a lot of things here, like create a new broadcast, which is going to be sent to all your subscribers or tagged ones. It's going to be completely up to you. And here you can see we selected the template that we just talked about and created. And then we can also edit the subject. Here goes the subject, and then here goes the content. So you can do a few things with the content. For example, you can make it more personalized. To do so, you can do like hello there, and then let's add the first name of the client, basically. So you can do so by just clicking on this plus button here, right here. So you can just click on it. Oh, sorry, my bad. And then from here we can do or find the personalization. If I can just find it's right here. So personalization, you just click on it, and then we add either subscriber first name, greeting, subscriber tags, conditional, and all of those things. But the one that we are going to be interested in is this one. So hello there, and then add to email, and you can see they already do it for us. So this should say actually the first name of the people who have subscribed, and this is why I told you when you create a landing page to add a first name to the form. So afterwards, just edit the rest of your topic and stuff, and you can also add a lot of things here. So you can make things, for example, bold, italics, and so on, and you can add images if you want, and many things like videos, links, and things like here. You just click on the plus icon and you can see image. For example, we just click here, choose, and then we just drop an image, and it's going to be in here automatically. And you can, just change the stuff on the right side, like the alignments and everything. It's very simple and straightforward. And if you want to link something, you just highlight it, and then again just click on this, where you can just paste a link. So let's just do google.com for this example. You just click on apply, and you can see it turns into a link, and it's purple because the template was purple. So this is pretty much it, and you just go ahead and click on continue, where you will select who you want to send it to. So send email or publish to the web, and then add filter or all subscribers. If you have tags, you would need to specify that. So basically, this is how ConvertKit works. It's very similar, as you can notice. If you saw how I created the landing page, the template here, it's all very similar and has the same style of editing, and it's very simple, and it's a block based, so it's very easy. So I hope you liked this video and found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.